Question number 21. Your company is exploring the use of the voice recognition technology in its smart home device. The company want to identify any barriers that might unintentionally leave out a specific user group. This is example of Microsoft guiding principle of the responsible AI. Means what is the question asked? The company want to identify any barrier that might unintentionally leave out of the specific user group. Means we do not leave any specific group. That is the inclusive part. Yes. So correct answer is answer C. Accountability is not that related to that one. Fairness is not related to it. Option is privacy. No. So correct answer option C. Question number 22. What is the goal of machine learning? Manual program all outcomes. Option B, write rule for every condition. Enable machine to learn from the data and make prediction. Create static report. So machine learning is the goal, enabling machine to learn from the data and make the prediction. This is the correct answer. Question number 23. What are the three Microsoft principles for responsible AI? Each correct answer present a complete solution. So we know there is the six Microsoft AI principle are there. One is the fairness, second one is reliability, safety, third is the privacy and security, fourth is the inclusiveness, fifth is transparency, and sixth is the accountability. So do we have accountability? Option A, B, C, D? No. We have a transparency in these options. So no. We have, do we have inclusive? Yes, this is option C we have, right? Another one we have privacy and security. No, this is option. Reliability and safety. Yes, we have option F. So option C and F. And after that we have reliability and safety. Yes, we have fairness. Fairness. Yes, we have option D. So option C, D, and E is the correct option. Question number 24. Which Azure service is the best suit for the speech to text conversions? Option A, Azure Form Recognizer. Option B, Azure Speech Service. Option C, Azure Text Analytics. Option D, Azure Code Service. Option A, Form Recognizer, that is related to form. From there, we can identify what type of the text are there, what are the means we can extract the text from the form. That's the form recognizer. Option B, Speech Service, that is related to the speech. Means we can convert speech to text or text to speech or speech to speech. That is the Azure Speech Service. Azure C, Azure Text Analytics, that is used to analytics the Azure Text Service. Azure Board Service, that is used for the chatbot help. So correct answer is also the Azure Speech Service. Returning a bounding box that indicate the location of vehicle in an image is an example of image classification, object detection, object character recognition, and semantic segmentation. So returning a bounding box that indicate the location of the vehicle in an image is the example of the C. Object character recognition OCR. This is not part of that one, right? And sentimental, that is used to sad, feel happy, like so. This is also object detection. That is yes, part of the object. Whenever any object, so from object we can find where object is there, and then we use it related to the location. Where the image classification can identify which type of the image it is. Right? Apple, banana, like this. So that an object detection. There where we have the location and as well as there will be a returning bounding blocks. So object detection is the correct answer. Question number 26. What is unsupervised learning? So first of all, we need to know what is the supervised and What is unsupervised learning? So supervised learning and unsupervised learning is the type of machine learning where a model is trained on the data without labeled output. Whereas supervised learning is where you train a model with input and output pairs. Right. So unsupervised learning only has a input features. And this is something where you find hidden structures, patterns, and relationship in data. That is something related to the unsupervised. So, no labels. The algorithm doesn't know about the correct answer. And the goal is discover the structure in the data. For example, grouping, reducing dimension, finding association. So common technique is the clustering, like grouping the similar type of data. That is the K-means and hierarchical clustering. And dimensionally reduce the like principal component analysis and all this. So overall here what we understand that unsupervised learning is a type of machine learning where the model is trained on the without labeled output. Means there is no predicted answer, a predefined answer or category. The system is trying to find hidden pattern and grouping are structure in the data on its own. Okay. So where is the here option A is the training a model with label data. Option B using reinforcement to guide learning. Option C grouping or clustering data without label. Yes, this is what I was talking. That is the grouping and clustering data without label. That is the unsupervised learning. So correct answer is option C and option D is the text only using text data only. No. So correct answer is option C. Question number 27 is used to generate the additional features. Feature engineering, feature selection, feature evaluation, training the model. Feature engineering is used to generate the additional features. Yes, this is the correct. Right. Question number 28. You turn a charity event that involve the posting a photo of people wearing sunglasses on Twitter. You need to ensure that you only retweet photos that meet the following requirements. The verified operation in the face service. Option B, detect the operation in the face service. Option C, describe the image operation in the computer vision service. Option D, analyze image operation in the computer vision service. So detect is the way by which we can identify, right? Where is the verify used to verify these people, right? So correct answer is option D. And this is also part of the face service. Question number 29. Which of the following is the best described classification in the machine learning? Predicting a continuous value, grouping similar data without label. This is unsupervised learning, right? And C is assigning label or category to data. And option D, ranking data in order. So here we are talking about the best described classification of the machine learning, which is option C, assigning label or category to data. Question number 30. When you design an AI system to assess whether loan should be approved, the factor used to make the decision should be explainable. This is the example of the following Microsoft guideline principle of the responsible AI. That is the option A, transparency, B, inclusiveness, C, fairness, and D is the privacy and security. So here the question asked is the loan process should we approve or not? So what the factor we are taking to make a decision? This is the part of the transparency, right? So anyone can see what the rules we are apply to get the loan or reject the loan process. So the correct answer is option A.